Happy Vlogmas, let's spend the day together. For breakfast today, we're having blueberry waffles that are gluten-free and dairy-free. Okay, so for my breakfast today, we have that waffle with peanut butter, some gluten-free Chex, and then a banana. After breakfast, we went on a dinghy ride to the beach and saw a dolphin, which was so cool, and Longfellow loved seeing dolphins. Then we hung out at the beach for a while and enjoyed the day. We went to Whataburger for lunch. Longfellow had a lot of fun digging in the sand. After lunch, I did some school and watched a show on Disney Plus. And that later afternoon, I went jet skiing with my dad, which was so much fun. We just went out to dinner that night and it was so fun, and then we just went to bed. Thank you for watching today's video. That evening we went back, chilled, and went to bed. But I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any video recommendations you want to see. Thanks for watching!